Hi there. Hi everyone. Welcome. Today in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. It's Thursday, January the 19th, 2023. In this additional, we have 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary, the tectonic with 1 star, the tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. Then we have a Sudoku with 4 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars, a 2-star Sudoku, and the ladder Sudoku. Total of 7 extra puzzles. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles, I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, because it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Yeah. And it's also time consuming. So 4 of them I will solve, and the first one I will do is the 3-star Sudoku number 5817. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. 25, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3-star puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 3 2s. So we, again, 3 1s, 3 2s, 4 3s. Alright. 1 2 3, 3 4s, 2 5s, 2 6s, 2 7s, 2 8s, and 3 9s. So the 3s are a majority. Can I start with a 3? No. Well, not true. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, okay. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 3. I need more information. Yes, insufficient information. How about the 1 in the last row? 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column. 1 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Well. Cannot continue with the 1 now. 7, yeah. How about these 6 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 7. Correction, 7. We have a 7 in first column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here's 7 in this row. No 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this row. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. Then. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 5 and then 9. We have a 5 in this column. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3, 3. We have a pair, 3 and 8 in this column. 3 and 8 in the last column. So the column between, the only two places left on 3 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Okay. 4, 4, okay. 8, 8. 5, 5. 5, 5, 5, okay. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, yes. 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 in these three boxes. So the 9 should be in one of these three boxes. So we have a 9 in one of these three boxes in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 5 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 4 in this row. 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then. Yeah. 1, 5. 1, 5. 2. 1, 5, 2. 1, 5, 2. 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And look, we have a 1 and a 2 in this column, so no 1 and a 2 in this box. The 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in the second row for the number 5. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and 6 goes there. Alright. Okay. 5. So we have a 9 in this row. The 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 2. Wait. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. Okay, so we have a 9 in the third column. 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Alright. Okay. And now, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square of numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 now in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the first row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square of numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. About these 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 3 and 8. We have an 8 now in the middle row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 box left in the last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this first column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. 1 and the 6. Cannot fill. Oh, well. Not true, not true. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have a 3, 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 and a 7. I've marked the 7s or earlier. So 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 now in the first row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and an 8. We have a 1 in the third row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow, that's a quick one to solve. For 3 stars, no. For 2 stars, no, it's definitely a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.